This guide will walk you through the steps to generate a machine dynamic status report using the Nayax Core. By following these instructions, you will be able to access the necessary features and export the report effortlessly. Click on Operations. Select Machine Dynamic Status from the drop-down menu. Enter the information in the desired fields. To view the reports, click on Show Report. To access different reports, simply switch between tabs. Reports can be customized by adding presets for your preferred settings. Click the Add tab to begin. By clicking on the Actions button, you can take action for the reports. For example, to schedule a report and send it via email address. By clicking on the Export button, you can export the reports to a PDF or as an Excel file and save it on your device. In this guide, you learned how to generate a machine dynamic status report using Nayax Core. Generating and exporting reports is now easy, helping you efficiently manage your business. For more videos, check out our YouTube page. Thanks for watching.